Welcome to Sardine News. This is the end of the video, but we're going to start it off here. This morning we heard about sardines in Port Edward. So here's our trip all the way down from there to Port Edward. This is what you have to face up to go to Port Shepstone along the coast. This road has been like this for so long due to government non-payment, as per usual. There's a bridge right there in the distance, but I want to stay by the sea to look for sardines. This is the choice we have to make. Waves are cooking, yeah. So yeah, there are workers back on site. I'm not sure what exactly they're going to be doing. We just need the road fixed. And we're doing a fishing check at the block here. Fishermen are walking slowly. That means they're not catching.
For one shade on the beach.
Something, a little shot of the ocean here.
Tram helmet on.
Put more government memorabilia.
Salubrious.
This was a lacquer spot before.
Maritime Museum.
Yeah, they fixed the roof. We're going to have to ask around to get ourselves in there. This used to be a lovely restaurant too.
Yes.
Lovely, well maintained. Governor. And this is the old museum. There's the tackle box fishing shop. There's Bella. And we are cruising to Shelly Beach. We haven't seen any dark patches on the water anywhere yet. It's just a lovely day. We'll spot for miles. There's a whale. And here's the infamous Shelly Beach Ski Boat Club. Delightful ski boat bay, launch site and bathing beach. With a cool restaurant. Hibiscus Beach Cafe. And yeah, it's a couple of waves. Couple of fishermen over there. Ski boats in the background, but no sides. The south coast ain't no Sleepy Hollow any longer. No sardines there, just tourists. Thanks for filming, Bruce. No sardine boats.
Michael! Woohoo!
Also very quiet here at the Orange. Love the spot, but no one moving around fast. And the fishermen aren't moving fast, that means they're not catching. Lots of sardine tin jammed fishermen here. And a lot of Ozo. Nothing happening on this side of the pier, but the far corner is absolutely chockers. Nothing. South. Now, the pumps can't pump the stuff to where it's supposed to go. So it sits in the pipes, gets backlogged, and then its only way out is via these escape hatches from the pump stations. It's like the sump gets overflown, and next thing the sewage just pours out. It's because of load shedding and power failures like what's going on today. Another delightful beach, Southbroom. Royden's got his surf school going on down there. But no dark patches of fish anywhere.
Wow, is that Louis?
And it's busy up at Port Edward, and you'll soon see why. And yeah, we've got a lot of action here. There's just sardines everywhere, or sardine people. Over there, a couple of boats, full car park, Silver Beach. Wow. Yeah, what a lot of fun, eh? Some makes with their cast nets. Saw Mornay with the bunch. There's a Snyman crew loading up. Fraser crew over there somewhere. I'm not sure how much the nets are, the crates are at the moment. I'll find out. You know how much a crate? 700.
Yeah.
All still got to be loaded up fast as possible while they're still strong. Another boat going. Drama, his engine's turned off. There's drama here. The engine was stuck up. So you just missed, well, I missed a very serious heater wave. And they went up very high in the sky, and when they came back, the motor was tilted up. Now he's got to get it started. As a matter of urgency before the next set comes. But the mates are going to give him a lift, maybe. But it's an 85, it should go. There it is. It's going. It's going. That's why they use those motors. Next one. I wonder where the sardines are in the bay. Dangerous game, man. Very dangerous stuff. Glenn Poole can drive a boat, that's for sure. Taking a long time to get out.
Yeah.
Challenging. Straight through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Getting boats and some gannets.
It's like the 7th net then.
Really? Well, we got a sardine from Mr. Woodley over there. And this net's been on the ground for ages, I reckon. And it was a huge net. So 7 nets altogether. Started at $800 a crate, then 700, and now it's 500. There are 5 boats out there still. And this is all happening, boy.
Lots of fish here.
So as it turns out, they're going to open this net to the public soon. They're just going to get a few more crates out because they've been here for quite a long time now. Yeah, it's this investment that Jay was talking about. I mean, there must be 15 Land Cruisers on this beach, a couple of normal cars. And the labor force here is huge. Every net must have like 20 people or something. Look at all the money tied up in those boats. They only get used once a year. And this is the reason that we are, first of all, very relieved that the Sardines pulled in, so these guys can recoup some of this money. And the other thing is to just stay out of their way, because that's dangerous business. You saw those boats launching just now. There's lots of vectors like pulling ropes and these huge nets lying about the place, so you don't want to be anywhere near when all the action's actually going on. Just back off, because this net here, they're about to open it to the public because it's big. It's a big net, and they've taken out a lot of sardine. And after a while, the sardine gets a little bit softer, and they open it up, and everyone gets to grab a few. More and more people coming. There's a crowd coming in. Yeah, they're taking a bit of time to open that net, so I've got to go and edit all this video now. So there's our side. Maybe he's going to tell them where the shells are. What you got? What you got? What you got? One real sardine. From the restaurant window, I can see shoals of sardines. 2 big shoals, far out, but they are right within range. Maybe within range of the boats, I don't know, but there's a lot of sardines coming into Port Edward.
Are the sardines up the nets already?
Some nets, yes. Nice wave, eh? And there's shoal of sardines behind it, one there, and there's a boat tracking that shoal. Hoping our colour's gonna go. And there's so many sardines. Look at the back, over there. I'm going to try and count sardine shoals while we're here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all in this bay coming around the corner here. We're not coming around too quick, but if this is a sign of what's still to come, then we're going to have a great sardine run again this year. It looks like it. Hey, whales are jumping all over the place. Yes, right, we're back to where we started, and the thing is, if you guys want to catch sardines, you must come early, eh? You can easily duff it if you go shade fishing first, or if you don't wake up in the dark, you could miss out. But the next few days could be closer to Durban. Maybe you don't have to drive all the way down here to lovely Port Edward, but wow, what a drive all the way down. So much fun. Join the hotline if you want to get the information first. Otherwise, just subscribe to the YouTube channel and follow on the Facebook channels and the TikToks, etc. So the stuff goes to YouTube, to the hotline first, and then from there it goes out to all the other things. Okay, cheers. Thank you. Bye.